In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Batchbooker to create a multi-day job booking in ServiceM8. We'll enable Batchbooker, create a series of bookings across several working days, deal with a staff availability clash, and then look at how the bookings can be changed afterwards. ServiceM8's standard booking window is designed mainly for creating individual bookings. That works perfectly well for a one-day job, but when a project runs for several days, creating every booking individually can become repetitive and time-consuming. Batchbooker allows us to create and manage those bookings together instead. Batchbooker isn't currently enabled on this account, so I'll quickly show you the initial setup. This only needs to be completed once. Search for Batchbooker in the ServiceM8 add-on marketplace and select the add-on. We can then install it and connect it to this ServiceM8 account. I'm now back on the job that I want to schedule. Rather than creating each booking separately, I'm going to open Batchbooker and create the entire sequence together. First, I'll choose the date on which the work is due to start. I'll set the working hours for each day and then enter the number of working days required. In this example, the project will run for 6 working days. As I enter this information, Batchbooker gives me a useful summary of the schedule. Because Skip Weekends is enabled, it tells me that 2 weekend days have been skipped. Based on my start and finish times, each booking will be 8 hours long. It also confirms that the final booking will finish on Tuesday, the 18th of August, giving me a quick check that everything has been entered correctly before I create the batch. Batchbooker has identified that this engineer already has a booking on one of the selected days. I can deal with that particular day by assigning another engineer to it. And the proposed schedule now has no booking conflicts, so I can go ahead and create the bookings. If we look at the job bookings, we can see that all 6 bookings have now been created automatically. Each booking is a normal ServiceM8 booking, so they'll appear in the diary exactly as if they'd been created manually. The difference is that we've created the entire schedule in just a few clicks. And one of the biggest advantages of Batchbooker is that the schedule can be changed later if the job changes. Rather than editing each booking individually, I can simply reopen the batch. For example, if the customer asks to delay the project by a week, I can simply change the start date. Back in ServiceM8, we can see that all of the bookings have been updated automatically. There's no need to edit each booking individually, which can save a significant amount of time on larger projects. And finally, if extra help is needed on site, simply use Add Staff, choose the engineer, select the days they'll be working, and save. It's as simple as that. That's how easy it is to create and manage multi-day bookings using Batchbooker. Whether you're scheduling a 2-day installation or a project lasting several weeks, Batchbooker helps you create bookings faster, identify conflicts before they're created, and update an entire schedule whenever plans change. Thanks for watching.